Hello everyone, this is Assistant Professor Meenakshi from PG Department of Geography, Khalsa College, Patiala. Our today's topic is interior of our earth. Now, in order to understand the geography of the external landform of the earth, कि अर्थ दी बाहर है क्या की चीज़ां मिलदियां हैं केड़ी केड़ी लैंडफॉर्म्स है वो किस तरह बने we must have an idea what lies within the earth crust, but it is not possible to know exactly how the earth was formed about 4500 million years ago. इन्ने साल पहला जो अर्थ है वो एग्जिस्टेंस च आई है. Now the question comes कि असी अर्थ दी इंटीरियर दे विच कैसे है उसकी नॉलेज कित्थों लवांगे, कैसे पता चलेगा कि अर्थ दी इंटीरियर विच जो है क्या पाया जाता है. Now knowledge of the earth's interior is limited, but we know that the temperature and the pressure it increases with the depth. और इस बारे पता किस तरह चले because of the depth of the mine, because of the depth of the magma chamber. माइन दी डेप्थ जो है इट इज़ अराउंड 9 किलोमीटर्स अप्रॉक्सीमेटली जितनी ह्यूमन बींग्स कर पाए हैं, और डेप्थ ऑफ द मैग्मा चैम्बर इज अराउंड 64 किलोमीटर्स. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ द एनालिसिस ऑफ द बेसिस ऑफ डिफरेंट सिस्मिक वेव्स वी कम टू नो अबाउट द अर्थ्स इंटीरियर. Earthquake waves or seismic waves are of two types, primary waves and secondary waves. Primary waves are those that moves fast through solid and slow through liquid, and secondary waves that moves only through the solid surface. So from the characters of various waves we come to know about the interior of the earth. Earthquake waves or seismic waves shows us the evidence of the different characters of the interior of the earth. जब भूचाल आंदा है तो बहुत सारियां तरंगा जो हैं वो अर्थ के अंदर धरती के अंदर पैदा होंदियां हैं. उन्हां वेव्स नूं असीं प्राइमरी वेव्स और सेकेंडरी वेव्स कहंदे हां. प्राइमरी वेव्स आर दोज दैट मूव्स फास्ट थ्रू सॉलिड एंड स्लो थ्रू लिक्विड, और सेकेंडरी वेव्स वो है जो सिर्फ सॉलिड्स दे विचों ही मूव कर सकदियां हैं. सो इट शोज कि अर्थ के इंटीरियर के अंदर लेयर्स की केमिकल और फिजिकल कंपोजिशन डिफरेंट है. दैट इज वाई जो वेव्स है वो सारी लेयर्स के विचों इक्वली पास नहीं कर पांदियां. नाउ द डीपेस्ट पॉइंट ऑन द अर्थ इज known as Kola Super Deep Borehole. This is the deepest man-made hole on the earth and deepest artificial point on the earth. It is around 12.12 kilometers and found in Murmansk Oblast, Russia. Now the second evidence is the Kola Super Deep Borehole that is found in Murmansk Oblast, Russia. It is the deepest artificial man-made hole on the earth's surface, which is around 12.2 kilometers, and it also gives the evidence about the interior of the earth's surface. Another evidence is magma chamber that is found at the depth of 64 kilometers. It shows us about the different characters and different layers of the earth's interior. Layers of the earth. There are primary three layers of the earth, that is crust, mantle and core. Crust, mantle and core are further subdivided into various layers that we'll study in the next slide. From the evidences of earthquake waves, volcanic eruptions, deep mine operations, crustal borings, the following facts are quite clear about the layers of the earth, that earth is made up of several concentric layers. Basically, these layers are known as crust, mantle and core, which are further divided into sub-layers. The first layer is known as crust. This is the outermost layer which is subdivided into two layers, that is Sial and Sima. Sial is the continental crust and Sima is the oceanic crust. The Sial is much lighter than the Sima, that is why the Sial floats over the Sima layer. Density of Sial is 2.7 grams per cubic centimeter. Density of Sima is 3.0 grams per cubic centimeter, whereas thickness of Sial is 40 kilometers and thickness of Sima is 5 kilometers. Difference between density and thickness is, density is Kanta, thickness is Motai. So don't get confused between the two words. If we compare the two layers, Sial and Sima, Sial, as I said, is the continental crust which is more thicker. Sial is composed of two acronyms, that is Si and Al. Si stands for silica and aluminium. This is the continental crust. That is composed of granite rocks and forms the continents. Whereas Sial is a silica, aluminium and aluminium, and collectively referred to as Sial layer. It has an average density of 2.7 as we have already discussed. The second is Sima. The lower part of this continuous zone is denser, that is basaltic rocks forming the ocean floors comprising mainly of silica, iron and magnesium. It is therefore called Sima and has an average density of 3 that we already have done. So this is oceanic crust, high density and less thicker than the Sial layer. If we compare the two layers of Sial and Sima, Sial means silica and aluminium. The upper part consists of the granitic rocks and forms the continent, that is the continental crust. It is more thicker and it has low density. Whereas Sima is composed of silica and magnesium and composed of continuous zone of denser basaltic rocks forming the ocean floors and comprising mainly silica, iron and magnesium. It is less thicker and its density is higher than the Sial layer. The second layer of Earth's interior is known as mantle. Mantle is again subdivided into two layers, upper mantle and lower mantle. Thickness is 35 kilometers to 2900 kilometers. Average density is 4.5 grams per cubic centimeters. जिस तरह ਅਸੀਂ deep अर्थ ਦੇ इंटीरियर ਦੀ लेयर ਤੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਜਾਵਾਂਗੇ, जो डेंसिटी है वो इंक्रीज होती जाएगी हर लेयर ਦੀ. So upper portion of mantle and crust together is known as lithosphere and lower mantle is known as asthenosphere. Asthenosphere is also acts as plastic layer जो ना solid है ना liquid है. Upper mantle, the first layer of the mantle. Immediately beneath the crust or the lithosphere is the mantle, which is composed mainly of very dense rock rich in olivine. It has another layer which is known as asthenosphere, which is of high temperature, and melting of rocks occurs here because of the convection currents. Now what do we understand by convection currents? Convection currents are those that are generated within the asthenosphere. It pushes the magma upward through the volcanic vents and spread centers to create new crust. Convection currents, they stress the lithosphere above, and cracking that often manifests as earthquakes. Heat from the core and the mantle itself, it causes convection currents in the mantle. Many geologists, most of them, they think that convection currents, they rise and sink through the mantle. Hot rock eventually cools and sinks back into the mantle. Next is lower mantle, which is molten in state. Thickness 400 to 2900 km, also known as mesosphere, lies below is the asthenosphere layer. Now this diagram shows the mantle upper mantle and lower mantle. This red portion is known as lower mantle and this is the upper mantle part. Lower mantle has convection currents. Earth's mantle is a layer between the crust and the outer core, and it makes up about 67% of the mass of the earth. Now we can say that mantles की layers क्या है? Lithosphere, which is the crust and the uppermost mantle. Just beneath the lithosphere, the asthenosphere, which is the softer layer or the plastic layer, and beneath this layer is the mesosphere, which is hot but it is more rigid. Now lithosphere क्या है? टेक्टोनिक प्लेट्स वाला एरिया है, एंड इन एस्थेनोस्फीयर लेयर व्हाट हैपन्स कि जब मोल्टन मैग्मा जो है, नीचे जो मैग्मा चैम्बर है उसके बीच हीट और प्रेशर बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाता है, तो बिकॉज ऑफ द कन्वेक्शन करंट्स जो मैग्मा है इट गेट रिलीज्ड इनटू द अर्थ क्रस्ट. लेयर इज नोन एज कोर which is formed by nickel and iron, also known as knife. Ni stands for nickel and Fe stands for iron or ferrous. So core is further subdivided into two parts, outer core and inner core. Inner core is crystalline or solid mass. It has high temperature and high pressure. Depth of core varies from 5150 km to 6371 km and density is 15 grams per cubic centimeter. And outer core is liquid or fluid layer. Its depth varies from 2900 km to 5150 km, whereas density is 10.7 grams per centimeter cube. So it shows the two layers, outer layer and inner layer. Outer layer, the outer core of the earth, this is liquid, and the solid inner core is shown here. What are the points that we have to remember is that there are three layers of the earth: crust, mantle, core. Core is the deepest. This is the third layer of the earth, divided into two layers, inner and outer. Outer core is liquid or molten, inner core is solid in state, and it has high temperature and pressure. Structure of the entire earth's interior. This is lithosphere, the crust, and the uppermost solid mantle is known as lithosphere. Then we have the lower and asthenosphere layer. Then we have the lower mantle. Below that we have the core, outer and inner core. Outer core which is liquid and inner core which is solid. Now we'll revise everything. Structure of the earth: three layers: crust, mantle and core. Crust is divided into two layers: continental crust and oceanic crust. Continental crust is composed of granite rocks and oceanic is basaltic in nature. Continental crust exists up to 5 kilometers जो thickness है, and continental crust is up to 40 kilometers thickness. Continental crust is known as sial, silica and aluminium, and oceanic current is known as sima, silica and magnesium. Now the second layer is mantle. Up to 100 kilometers, that means rigid crust plus the upper mantle region is known as lithosphere. Mantle second layer आ गई, और mantle का जो upper part है plus the crustal part, that is known as lithosphere. Beneath is the layer which is formed, that is asthenosphere, which is partially molten, or you can say fluid in nature. Because of the extreme pressure it acts as a plastic layer. Now below asthenosphere is the lower mantle region, which is more rigid than the asthenosphere because of the extreme pressure in the mantle region. And now the third layer is known as core which is further subdivided into outer core and inner core. Outer core is liquid phase or liquid state and inner is more rigid or we can say solid. Now temperature here is estimated to be around 3500 Fahrenheit and the core is subject to extremely high pressure. बहुत ज़्यादा टेम्परेचर होने के कारण बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेशर है. अंडर सच कंडीशंस द कोर कुड बी एक्सपेक्टेड टू बी इन लिक्विड स्टेज, क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा हीट है सो उसमें लिक्विड स्टेज होना चाहिए है. बट बिकॉज ऑफ द अर्थक्वेक वेव इट हैज़ बीन सजेस्टेड, ये पता चल रहा है कि जो इनर मोस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द कोर है दैट इज प्रोबेबली क्रिस्टलाइन और सॉलिड पार्ट, इट इज नॉट लिक्विड.